How to log into Uzum Market app and website. First of all, open the app on your device or visit the official website at uzum.uz. Next, locate and tap on the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the homepage or app interface. Now enter your registered mobile number that you used during account creation. After entering your details, click on Get Code or Send Code to receive a verification code. Once you receive the code via SMS, enter it in the required field to verify your account. This step ensures that only you can access your account. After verification, you will be successfully logged in. On the app, you can explore your account dashboard, check your orders, manage your profile, and set your preferences. On the website, you can browse product, track orders, and access all features just like the app. Always make sure you log out when using shared devices to keep your account secure. Now you know how to log into Uzum Market app and website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.